Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Fields, and this is Courtney. We often team up with a myofunctional therapist and a dentist to help people with swallowing. But for those of you who don't have that availability, we're providing some of these exercises for you today. So the swallow is a complex thing. It's a symphony of muscles and contractions and relaxations that need to happen. And one of those key players is called your posterior digastric muscle. So we are going to get onto your bony protuberance right here behind your ear with your thumbs on both sides. That's where this muscle inserts, and we're going to push on that. Go ahead and just push on that and really feel it. Just feel a little pain in there. It's called your posterior digastric muscle. This is where I get results, right? We want any weak or uncoordinated muscles to help be recoordinated, right? And to get stronger, to help your swallowing, help your singing even. We want to build coordination of your muscles and your nerves associated with swallowing. So let's go ahead, we're going to go back and now just push and breathe into it. Let's go with a nice soft face, relaxed face, a countenance of peace. Let it go. This is more of a letting go than it is a grunt move. This is not CrossFit. This is just nice, easy, relaxed moves. Keep pushing on that bone. Good. Now put your arms down. Good. And let's go ahead and just bring your hands up on your chest and pull the skin down. Good. One hand over the other and pull that skin down and then just lift. And let's just stretch the infrahyoid muscles. Let's stretch your platysma muscle. And now jut your jaw forward and up and over your front teeth. Good. And let's bring it back. Good. And jut it and get a little motion there. And you'll feel this front part just stretch so nicely as you jut that chin forward. Beautiful. Arc like your neck and your head is arcing up and over a ball. Lifting your head, lifting your face towards the ceiling. Beautiful. Keep going. You're doing great. Good. Let's go ahead and bring it down and we'll do a counter stretch. We're going to do a 45-degree stretch. Just take your left hand and pull 45 degrees and just feel that neck and that upper trap. That which you just compressed a little bit, let's decompress it. Good. And let's go to the other side. And just breathe right into it. Tuck that chin. Breathe. Let your lungs be on your team also. Breathe right into that stretch and let them participate in it. Good. Now we're going to do a little strengthening. Bring your head up and bring your fist right under your jaw. Good. And bring those ears back over your shoulder. And now tuck your chin and tuck your chin against the resistance of your fist. Good. So you're really strengthening your longus colli, your other deep cervical neck flexors muscles. Beautiful. This creates a better posture. Posture is imperative for good swallowing, for proper jaw function, all kinds of things. We want good posture. It's not underrated, people. Good. Good. So go ahead and just smile right into that camera. Good. We're smiling, people. We don't want tense. We don't want stressed. Good. So go ahead and just put your arms down. Now take a breath. Good. Excellent. Now bring those ears over the shoulders. Bring the head back. Good. So with that chin tuck, you're going to do something called an effortful swallow. You're going to swallow hard. I want you to swallow really hard. Go for it. Good. And then gather in some more saliva and just when you swallow, when you massive muscle recruitment, you know the difference. Like a dog swallowing peanut butter. Really give it just push it. Just swallow hard. Good. Let's keep going. A little bit more. Beautiful. Keep going. And just swallowing, swallowing, swallowing. Good. Okay, now what I want you to do is you're going to take your fingers and you're going to there's a muscle called the sternocleidomastoid, right? So let's get on your right sternocleidomastoid. So take your fingertips and go right where your clavicle is and your sternum is, and come from the top and traction that down. And now turn to the opposite side. Good, so turn and you'll feel that muscle get stretched out. And bring it back to center. Good, let's go to the other side. Traction, good, and turn to the other side. Good, and now traction the other one. Up, traction and then turn. So traction and turn, and just feel that muscle getting stretched. Let's keep going, let's get in a little rhythm. So traction the other, good, and turn to the opposite side. Good, go to the other side, traction, just drag your hand down there, really pinch that muscle, and then turn your head all the way as far as you can, your full range of motion. You're gonna feel a little of this right afterwards, like your throat's a little bit more open. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and do one more to the other side. And turning it. Beautiful. You're getting the myofascia covering around the muscle. Good. Okay, now we're going to just do a little extension exercise. I want you to just turn your body for a second. Put your hands on your hips with your fingers pointed straight down. And I want you to just come up, arch your back, and bring your head up. And just feel the muscles. Don't let your head fall back, but feel these muscles in the front. Good. And take a big breath in. Good. And then come back to neutral. And good. And come back again. Good. And look at the ceiling if you can. Feeling those muscles. Good. And coming back to neutral. Let's do two more. Bring it back. Arch the low back a little bit. Good, feel those muscles, feel them holding up the front there. Beautiful, the strap muscles, because they're shaped like a strap. Oh, I love it. Good, we're gonna do the posterior digastric now. We got it from the mastoid process, now we're gonna get it from right behind the jaw. So we're gonna take your thumbs to the corner of your jaw and go up behind your jaw, straight up. You're gonna feel a little pain there. Go with both of them. Good. Great, let's go ahead and go the left and the right. Beautiful. And just push, 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 push. And I want you to just feel some pain, people. Feel them. Come on, get into it. But yet let that face relax. Even do some smizing, right? You're smiling from the eyes. Now move it down a little bit towards your chin. Good, and push up. Push, 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 push. Good, if something doesn't feel right, just stop immediately, as with any of my videos, please. Good, and just hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, now we're gonna do the posterior digastric another way. We're gonna do it from where I want you to take your left hand and pull your throat out of the way. Just take your fingertips like this and just pull it out of the way. And with the opposite thumb, you're gonna run it down right behind your jaw. Just keep doing it. And we're gonna traction that posterior digastric muscle. Beautiful. This is a little complex, a little challenging move, but I know you can do it. You're doing great. There it is. No stress on this. If you're doing it and it's not perfect, that's okay. You're still getting benefit. Good, let's go the other side. So pull, let's go multiple fingers here. Let's pull that out of the way a little bit, give a little traction on there, and now let's run it down right underneath the jaw. Good, so you're pulling your throat a little bit out of the way, and then you're just stroking that posterior digastric and all the tissues right under there. Beautiful. And now a fan favorite, the open mouth exercise. So put your arms down and go ahead, and we're gonna just take the tongue to the bottom of the lower teeth and push that jaw open, push it open, good. And open that mouth as wide as you can, go for it. Open, 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 pushing it further with the tongue. Beautiful, open, open. Now, make sure your posture is good. Raise that head up, the palms are facing straight ahead, the shoulders are back a little bit, the chest is up. Good. Open, open, open. Beautiful. Good. Let it relax. Now lift your chin and take your fingertips and just do a traction right from underneath your jaw all the way down till you feel the hyoid bone right there. Chin down just a little bit. Good. And hold it right there. And now now swallow. Good. With that downward resistance, and traction it even a little bit more and swallow. Good. Tractioning and swallowing. You're just resisting the upward shift of your hyoid bone right now. Go ahead again, let the fingers up and then drag them down, pull that hyoid bone down and take a big swallow. There you go. Let's do another one. Good. You know, when you swallow, your hyoid bone goes up, and there's like this anterior displacement of the hyoid bone during swallowing. And it's critical because that's how your epiglottis closes, the thing that closes your airway so that your food doesn't go in your airway. A lot of people come to me that food goes into the airway and they're coughing and things like that. So this is an excellent exercise for this. So now go ahead and put your thumbs right behind your chin. Good. We're just going to go push up. We're going to massage the inferior part of your tongue. Just really work it. Come back a little bit, just push it. I want you to dig in and massage a little bit. You're going to reach your tongue even from there, believe it or not. This tongue, I mean, it's amazing. It's a pump. It pushes food through the throat and into the esophagus, or the food pipe, you might call it. Good. A lot of these exercises are designed to strengthen the base of your tongue, but we really want to strengthen it and we want to relax it also. It has to be strength on demand. Beautiful. Just keep working it. Working it with that inner smile going. Feel the love. Feel the happy. Good. Good job. So let's do a little breathing. Just take a big breath in and bring your shoulders up towards your ears. And let the shoulders relax. And breathe out. Good. Big breath in through your nose. Good. Let it relax. If you can, find a myofunctional therapist or come in and see me. Realize self-care is high-quality, hands-on health care, and you're doing it. Make sure you do 2 of these videos every day.